NASA's Starliner spacecraft, docked at the International Space Station, has been sending chills down astronaut Butch Wilmore's spine. Recently, Wilmore reported hearing sonar-like pings coming from a speaker inside the spacecraft. Mission Control in Houston confirmed the eerie sounds but couldn't pinpoint the source. Is it just another technical hiccup? Starliner has had its share of issues, helium leaks, failing thrusters, you name it. Even though unexplained noises aren't new in space, remember the knocking sounds Chinese astronaut Yang Liwei heard in 2003? The mystery remains. With Starliner's autonomous return to Earth scheduled for September 6th, NASA isn't taking any chances. Wilmore and his crewmate, Suni Williams, will stay on the ISS and return aboard a SpaceX Crew Dragon in February. What could these strange sounds mean for future missions? Only time and a whole lot of investigation will tell. Stay tuned for more updates on this unfolding space mystery.